Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today's session. A big thank you to Dr. Tammy Balling for opening the session today and setting the stage with her amazing cross-cultural collaborations. My name is Dr. Giovanna Bejjani, and I'm talking to you today from the United Arab Emirates, where I serve as a senior faculty at the Higher Colleges of Technology. I'm delighted to be contributing today in our discussion on enhancing student learning through potential cultural integration. The few examples I will share with you today center on strategic faculty partnerships. Cross countries and time zones can enrich student learning and open powerful opportunities for cross-cultural connections. Let me begin, please, with a collaboration that's close to my heart. In particular, Dr. Renee Serdek from the University of Wisconsin Stout collaborated together. She invited me to her leadership class. She conducted a virtual interview on a case study. The feedback from her student and ran it as a case study in her class. The feedback from her students were overwhelmingly positive. Students were engaged, curious, eager to learn about leadership styles and practices in different countries and cultures. For me, this experience with Dr. Renee was not only creative, but also deeply relational. Dr. Renee's thoughtful questions encouraged reflective dialogue, and our exchange built a meaningful bridge between our classrooms. We are currently exploring ways to virtually present in each other's classes in the future to keep the exchange alive. A second example is a collaboration, an ongoing collaboration with Dr. Robin Davis, who's with us today from Virginia Union University. This is also truly a very valuable collaboration that's close to my heart as well. Last November, I had the honor to present virtually as a guest lecturer, to the VU Business School, where I spoke about international business and culture and shared the case study exploring cultural differences between the United Arab Emirates and the USA. It was a super lively and engaging session attended live by both students and faculty via Teams. The interaction was dynamic and thought-provoking. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Dr. Davis later shared her students found the session incredibly valuable and that they were eager to learn even more about cross-cultural differences. We're currently in discussions to organize joint field trips and joint plans for the future. Dr. Davis will elaborate on this and on the strategic future directions of our ongoing collaboration. A third example comes from my brand management class, and our students conducted a live case study with a Chinese electric vehicle company called Zeekr, expanding into the UAE market. They met directly with the representatives of the company locally, researched how Chinese brands adapt to Emirati consumer preference, and presented their strategic findings to the company. This real-world engagement not only helped students apply theoretical models, but gave them first-hand insight into cross-cultural branding and international market positioning. Lastly, I briefly mention a recent initiative by our business school. They organized a field trip to Singapore, and this allowed the students to engage with peers and professors at the partner university, and they explored global education that broadened their perspective. Together, these examples illustrate how global collaboration, whether through joint classes, live case studies, or international exchange, can foster deep, meaningful learning. When students engage with real people, real companies, real cultures, their sense of global awareness and adaptability grows in ways that no textbook alone can offer. As we continue today's session, I hand now over to Dr. Robin Davis, who will talk about cultural agility built through these shared initiatives and more about the collaborations, including ours. Thank you. And I truly look forward today to strengthening partnerships and forming new ones with colleagues from around the world. Over to you, Dr. Davis.